Derek at the Eliminex. Here's a squirrel nest. As soon as I put the ladder up, he's not leaving. Or she. I don't know if there's any more squirrels in there or not. Let's see if there's anything. See, some contamination needs to be cleaned up in there. We'll do that when we take off this wood. This wood's gonna have to be cut off. Yeah, it's pretty extensive. And then you got birds living underneath. You got birds living underneath this stupid thing. So I'm gonna have to cap that off. The wood's so rotted. And the gutters completely taken out. So we're gonna have to remove these gutters. They're seamed with the neighbors. That's really perplexing what we're gonna do here. We're gonna have to disconnect the gutters up until a point and then hang them. I have a hang down. He's not leaving.